Evening, everybody. I hate doing shorts for YouTube just because they look a little bit too much like TikTok videos. So I thought it'd be kind of cool to show you how bad the smoke is here today. I mean, it was definitely noticeable odor-wise, and obviously you can see it. Yeah, those trees off in the distance are anywhere from, the closer ones are probably a half-mile away, maybe a little over. The ones behind are maybe 3/4 of a mile. So visibility is like a mile or less, or maybe just a hair over, I don't know. It is kind of cool though, because it gives the illusion that those are mountains in the distance. Because it makes it look, the optical illusion of stuff fades the farther away it gets. Yeah, so I thought that was kind of cool. Maybe you guys want to see that. Catch you next time.